Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Carolina Mewengkang, and this afternoon I want to share my presentation in digital literacy. I have a part to discuss about the creating content in chapter 5. In chapter 5, we have 5 parts to be discussed with. For the first one is creating content and the national curriculum. The second one is creating content and the teacher standards. The third one is defining creativity. And the fourth one is creativity tools. And 5 is programming. What is content? According to Wikipedia.org, content is the message, something that is to be expressed through some medium, as speech, writing, or any of various arts. How does digital literacy have curriculum? Digital literacy is crucial to helping students become lifelong learners. It teaches them essential life skills as well as academic skills. They help students use critical thinking skills to evaluate the quality of digital sources and information, which in turn helps students communicate better. As teachers, we should have standards because when we are teaching digital literacy, we have a standard. For the first is use technology to foster and maintain pupils' interest in subjects by the provision of an engaging curriculum. Second one is emphasis acknowledging individual disposition, understanding of how pupils learn, and factors that can inhibit pupils' ability to learn and how best to overcome this. The last is the technology is another variable at your disposal as a teacher that can have a dramatic and empowering pedagogical impact. Defining creativity. Creativity not always focuses on the finished product. There are key behaviors and attitudes in the creative process. For the first time is multimodal option. How we can combining in the computing. Multimodal elements are oral, visual, and textual. In digital taxonomy, teachers and children can be creating digital by using designing, constructing, planning, inventing, division, making, programming, filming, animating, blogging, video blogging, wiki, and also publishing according to Churches 2014. And the creative tools, we have many creative tools. Start from social bookmarking service to save and share your bookmarks on web. There are some example of web. Example is delicious.com, dg.com, evernote.com. The second one is concept mapping as a tool for representing connections and understanding in a range of subjects. There are example here, Publet.com, Inspiration.com, to Simple.com. The third one is static image. As we know, when we are making content, there are static image and moving image. Let us see the static images. Using digital camera to editing and manipulating images as a final product to support curriculum. We can edit photo by photo editing using ePhoto or Google Picasa. And the second is painting. We can use PaintNet, Art of Glow, and Doodle Pad. And the last is object-based drawing. We can use Google Docs drawing. The fourth one is moving image. In relating to creating video, you need to capture, edit, and share the content. What should you do? Stop frame animation. We can use animate.com. Other approaches to animation, we can use .com, and then video editing, we can use Windows Microsoft.com, and screencasting also we can use camstudio.org and showme.com. The next creative tool is audio. Audio is relating to recording. editing and sharing audio, there are several options. We can adding sound to PowerPoint using Office Microsoft, and adding sound to Word, we can use Office Microsoft, and MP3, we can use ttsgroup.co.uk and bitware.com. And then creative tools also have writing. In writing, is of publishing it to an audience. We can use blogging, just like blogger.com and tumblr.com. And we can use wikis, wikispace.com, ebook, use myebook.com, redjumpernet, blog, website, just like j2e.com, and comics, we can use class.com. In programming, the national curriculum makes reference to children creating programs and systems. Computational thinking is often considered a creative problem-solving process. According to Resnick, argues that all children can benefit from learning to code, and then it helped them to understand their media-rich work over an outlet for creative expression. For young children exploring creating simple programs, they can use gethotspot.com, mindlibtech.com. This is my presentation this afternoon. May you enjoy it, and we can see question and answer in the next part.